Hello mga kalazada! Welcome to Tiny Sass Vlog. For today's vlog, ituturo ko po sa inyo yung easy refund ni Lazada this 2024. As you can see, meron po akong dalawang available balance which is withdrawable, deposit, and refund. Pero pareho po yan withdrawable. And this time mga kalazada, mas pinadali na po ni Lazada yung ating pagta-transfer ng refund kasi marami na pong available banks. As you can see, meron na tayong GCash, Maya, at marami pang iba. So mga kalazada, at ang kagandahan dito is mabilis na lang ngayon. Unlike dati, naghihintay ka ng 30 days. Ngayon, napakadali na lang. And, yan, double check nyo lang po since ginamit ko dyan is GCash. So, I make sure na tama yung name ko sa GCash and then yung number ko. Kasi once na na-click mo na dyan yung withdraw, yan, wala ka ng habol once na na-approve yung request. Okay, kasi mayroon pa yan approval eh. Okay, add bank. And dito mga kalazada, ayan, withdraw mo lang. Tapos mga kalazada, add bank ka lang ulit kapag mag-iiba ka ng bank. So yan, and then meron pa siyang code. Yan, magsisend siya ng code para safe doon sa Lazada registered number mo. Okay? Kaya, hindi siya basta-basta. So, yan. Verify code. Ayan. Sisend dyan. And then, charan, meron siyang 3 business days. Pero, applicable lang yan pag Saturday, Sunday ka tumatama yung withdrawal mo ng Saturday, Sunday. So, usually sa akin naman, mabilis lang. Gabi, tas umaga ko lang din nakuha na transfer sa aking GCash. So, check mo lang siya dito yung status niya. And then, yan. Makikita mo naman dyan. Keep approved na.
I know you're waiting till the morning comes my bed. I just wanna be alone to feel free tonight. Told you so many times, don't wanna look back. Do I break your heart? What I feel inside, it burns me out. You just wonder how I leave you. There's no tears, this my love.